Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm super excited today. I'm the girl in pink today. How do I look today, guys? I feel I look amazing. I've added a pop of pink on my glasses and my outfit. Yeah, someone asked me what my favorite color is and what my favorite personality color, what color outlines my personality. And I really think that pink outlines me as a person because I'm so girly. I've gotten comments from my friends, from people around me, that I'm super girly, which is not something I used to think I am, but now that I think of it, I think I am. So guys, today's video is so awesome. I'm gonna showcase what beginner wig owners should have. I know there are people who already are established as far as owning wigs, and you already know your scope, you know what to get and what not to get. But for the beginner girlies like me who want to explore the wig world, then I'm gonna showcase some of the things that I have that I think are very essential, and I think you should get them as well, in order to get that pop off look with your wig. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. I have a list of items that I want to showcase. Not so many because this is for beginners and I'm also a beginner, so I don't have much of items to showcase, but I think the ones that I have are very essential for someone who's starting off on their wig journey. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a voiceover because there's currently a lot of noise going on because children have closed school, so there's a bit of noise coming outside. So I'm just gonna showcase them and I'm gonna do a voiceover over this. So first off, I have this flat iron comb. This helps straighten your wig evenly by guiding the hair as you flat iron it. It gives that salon smooth finish with less heat damage, so this is a must-have. Then we have this wig comb. This is also a very, very must-have, and this is for detangling your wig gently without causing shedding or frizz. Perfect for keeping your unit smooth and sleek. Then this, I think it's called a glue placement band. Yeah, I call it wig band, or you can call it glue placement band. This is also very essential. This is ideal for securing your lace while applying glue or spray. It ensures your lace melts seamlessly for a flawless hairline. It's so awesome, I love it. It goes for 200 shillings. Kenyan shillings, I think. Yeah, that's the price, 200 Kenyan shillings. Also, it depends with where you're buying it from, because where I bought it from, it's that price. Then this lace melting spray. This goes well with the wig band. Yeah, this is so awesome. It's called the CSCR. Please get this one. It doesn't leave any residue, any whitish marks, and this also helps a lot. The secret weapon for that undetectable hairline, it melts your lace perfectly into your skin for a natural, seamless look. Please go for it. Yeah, they go together with the band. Then you need a clip, hair clip. It's simple, but it's very essential. It keeps your hair sections in place while styling, straightening, or applying products. So please get this. You can see mine has a damage on it, but please get yourself a strong one. These are very essential, so don't disregard them at any point. Yep, we have the Mousse olive oil. So this also is a good one. It's a good one for the curly wigs, just to get your curls together. Please get this one. It's so good. It's amazing. I love it. This is wig oil. So this is very essential. Don't use any other oil on your wig for that perfect shine, for that very natural look on your wig. Please get yourself this one. It's called the Ludois argan oil, whichever way you'll pronounce it. It's so awesome. This adds shine, softness, and nourishment to your wig. It keeps synthetic and human hair units looking fresh and revived. So you can use on your synthetic, on your human hair wig. So it works perfectly fine. I love it so much. So next off, I have this edge brush. This is the ultimate tool for laying your baby hairs, creating those soft, natural looking edges. Every wig lover needs this one. Yup. Then last, I think this is the last one but not least, I have the flat iron, 2-in-1 flat iron. Wow, I love this one. If you're a wig person, please get yourself a flat iron. This is really resourceful. For your straight wigs, this is a good wig, and I mean a good item for you. Yeah, it comes with the 200 degrees C, that's the highest heat, then the 180. I don't know if you can be able to see. So the highest is 200, then the minimum heat you can get from this is 180 degrees C, which is also very perfect. Yeah, so to power it up after you plug it in, this is the place where you adjust the power. You adjust the power. That one. So it's so good. And also for the 2-in-1 part, this is the place where you use to flat iron. You can see I've made an adjustment to that cutting. Yeah, then you need to adjust it again to get the part where you can now use to curl your wig. Yeah, that adjust it, then yeah, perfect, very beautiful, so awesome. Yep, I love my flat iron so much. This is so essential. So please get yourself one like this, or one that is better than this, or one that is exactly the same as this. It will save you a great deal. For a beginner wig owner, yep, I think that's basically it. So guys, that will be it for whatever you need as a beginner wig owner. I've also forgotten the wig cap. I do not have it here, but I lost mine. But you also need to have a wig cap. Yeah, so I think that's it. I don't know if you found this helpful, or if you have any other essentials that you feel like are missing in the set that I've shown you, then please leave a comment. Let's engage, let's see what I miss, let's see what you miss, and if you think this video was helpful. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next one, bye.